Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Ltd. Today we begin our beautiful journey to learn the fundamental teachings of Islam.
Let us learn our religion with love, respect, and beautiful Islamic manners.
Who are we by religion?
We are Muslim by religion.
What is our religion?
Our religion is Islam. Who is a Muslim?
One who believes in Islam is a Muslim.
Who do Muslims worship?
Muslims worship Allah only. What does Islam teach us?
Islam teaches truthfulness, neatness, goodness, and righteousness.
Very good, Amna. Amna, what is kalima?
La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is none worthy of worship except Allah.
And Muhammad is the Prophet of Allah. Children, how many pillars of Islam are there?
There are 5 pillars of Islam.
Can you name them?
Shahada, Salah, Zakat,
Sa'um.
Hajj.
Shahada means believing in Allah and Prophet Muhammad. Salah means praying 5 times every day. Zakat means giving charity to help poor people. Sa'um means fasting.
In the blessed month of Ramadan.
Hajj means visiting Mecca for pilgrimage. So who can name the 5 pillars of Islam?
Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Sa'um, and Hajj.
Who is a prophet?
A prophet is a chosen man of Allah.
And Jamila, why did Allah send prophets?
For the guidance of mankind.
MashaAllah, very good.
Who is the first prophet?
Hazrat Adam alayhi salam.
Ahmed, who is the last prophet?
Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu.
Can you name some famous prophets?
Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam,
Can you name 2 of the great prophets of Allah?
Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam.
MashaAllah, you both did so well. Dear parents, please teach your children beautiful Islamic manners, Quran.
Du'as, Salah.
Help your children learn their religion with kindness and care.
Please like, subscribe, and follow our channel.
May Allah bless all children with beautiful Islamic knowledge.